morning, YouTube. Alright, so if you saw my last video, you saw me going through a lot of mental anguish, being stranded on a lane with a fully loaded 250 kilogram plus motorbike, having to push it for a couple of hours, going through a lot of emotion, a lot of different ideas. The Triumph Tiger has still got a no clutch, so that's waiting to be repaired in a couple of weeks. But in that time, I've decided that I need a dirt bike so I can do the green lanes and the TET, the Trans-European Trail. I'm going to buy a dirt bike. But me being me, I never do things simply or in halves. So I've settled on a Husqvarna FE 350. It weighs 109 kilograms. Now I've chosen this bike because it weighs 109 kilograms, which allows me, with the correct equipment, to mount it on the back of the van. I'm going off to get that equipment. Where we're going now, we're going to somewhere called Dave Cooper's Trailers and Hitches. Dave Cooper's been doing this for years, yeah? He's been making these trailers and hitches for years. Very famous in the game. Very simple mounting hardware, and it just bolts onto the back of the van. So I'm gonna go to him now. I'm gonna actually fit it where he is. So I'm gonna buy it, fit it in his car park, and then venture on to go and buy this new bike. But literally 10 minutes to install, and there's the install. And that is it. Look at that, solid. You know, if it can take my weight, which is 110 kilos, it can take the bike. Nice. Just got to pack up and go and get the bike. Good morning, YouTube. Alright, you find me back where it all went wrong. So if you remember my last video where the Triumph, I took the Triumph on the Tet, and it was so gnarly and uphill and all that sort of stuff, and rocks, and really put a lot of strain on the Tiger. Fully loaded, 250 kilograms. I am back in the same sort of area, and I'm going to conquer the area that broke the Triumph. Only this time I'm fully equipped. Boom. So we got a new trailer hitch and a new bike. So this is 107 kilos or 109 kilogram Husqvarna 350 FE, and it is designed to annihilate what took out the Triumph. So yeah, I'm back to claim what's mine.
Story goes that every generation has one. Some damn soul cursed to ride the earth.
Okay, now. Things are getting wild, they really are. Look at this. It's double rutted. Tell you, what a difference. Just had to stop for this. It's about 27 degrees, 28 degrees today. I tell you, some of those tracks are insane. And this bike, this bike is insane. The Husqvarna 350 FE. This thing just eats it up. 109 kilograms, 350. It's about 50 brake horsepower. But the thing is an absolute weapon when you get it off-road. I have no idea where I am. I'm just following the this app that shows me where the track is, the TET, but don't know where the van is. But my goodness, what an absolute weapon, and what a difference. The right bike for the right job, you know, what a difference. It's insane, absolutely insane. And I'm very happy. It's a bit extreme though compared to the Triumph, that's for sure. Very laid back and comfortable, that thing. Big old wallowy bus, but this thing's like an angry wasp. Madness. Anyway, let's crack on. Just back at the van, and just need some food. Don't know how long I've been out there, but just blasting around these little back lanes. But yeah, this is what we're making. Egg, cheese, wrap, bit of ketchup and hot sauce. Can it get any better? If you've never tried it, it's the best. Really a simple little snack, but it's got everything you need. Seriously, can it get any better than this? It probably could, yeah, because I'd be in a desert somewhere, because I love deserts. But you know, I've got my wrap that I just made. I got the bike, and I've got some horses, and I got bikes flying past and everything. But I mean, can it get any better? 27 degree heat, sunshine, blue skies. We don't have long on this earth, so try to enjoy it. That's what I say. Oh god. I forget how hardcore this is. It's so intense compared to road riding. I mean, it's mad. Oh, I love it though. Fucking head's banging there. Just back at the van now. I've just been tearing up through these crazy trails, and I tell you, this bike is an absolute animal compared to my Tiger. This thing is like a ninja, a trail ninja, whereas my Tiger is more like a karateka, like a third dan karate guy. Yeah, a bit slow, a bit very capable, but a bit more methodical, slower, a little bit heavier. But this is just like a little ninja on the trails. Absolutely insane. And I've just reached my capacity, my limit. I can't do any more. It's about 3 o'clock now, so we've been tearing up and down these trails for hours, and yeah, my battery is flashing red. Time to go home and recharge. But I think I'm going to get out early in the morning and do it again, but down towards Salisbury. Yeah, watch your space.